Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and this is Altcoin Disrupt. What is Vega? Vega protocol specifically. So Vega is a protocol for creating and trading margin finance product on a fully decentralized network. Well, that sounds exciting, to be honest, a fully decentralized network. The network, secured with proof of stake, will facilitate fully automated end-to-end margin trading and execution of complex financial products. Anyone will be able to build decentralized markets using protocol. So what makes Vega innovative? And that's a really good question. And today I'll be answering that for you guys. So built-in liquidity incentives match traders and market makers across any financial products to solve the problem of attracting, allocating market-making resources, especially for long-term tail market. Vega will connect a major blockchain for collateral, which can be in any digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum 20 tokens, and stable coins. So participants will be able to choose from a range of collateral options. Any participants will be able to easily create and launch market by using a toolkit of products, features, and economy primitives from which all cash flows and settlement infrastructures can be easily specified. So Vega is currently building up to its ICO on CoinList. And this is actually really exciting because the ICO is only a few days away, just over a week, I should think. So the ICO actually starts on May the 29th, and there'll be 3 separate sales. So the registration to participate in the ICO will be start on May the 29th. And it's actually really exciting because there'll be 3 different sales, 2 sales on June the 2nd and a final sale on June the 3rd. It's actually really exciting because it gives people an early point to register, and it also gives you a chance to plan ahead if you want to participate. We've all been there before. We try to participate. So next thing I'd like to have a look at is Vega's vision, their vision itself, right? So it is Vega vision to build tools that guarantee the freedom to trade and to make that freedom accessible to anyone on the earth. Sounds exciting to me. So they're taking aim at the fundamental problems that they see in the current centralized financial system. And that's good because that's what cryptocurrency is supposed to be. That's what Bitcoin was built for, is to solve the problem of centralized finance. Centralized finance is extremely corrupted. So Vega is trying to solve this problem as well of centralized financial system. I already like Vega, and creating a parallel financial system that fixes these problems. So that's what they're trying to do. This is their mission. So that's what Vega is trying to do. That is their mission. And it sounds exciting because, yeah, that's what cryptocurrency is supposed to be. It's supposed to solve the problem of this corrupted centralized financial system. So they're currently writing rules for rewards and incentives that balance the system. Sounds good to me because incentives allow people to participate. This also helps to keep it fair, obviously, and it helps it to grow. If everyone is getting their share evenly, it actually helps the economy of cryptocurrency to grow in general. And this is actually something that I really like, and this is something that I was really excited to see that they're doing. So the protocol must be open and will eventually be free and open source software governed by the community so that it can be developed and evolve with the needs of its users. That sounds good to me. That sounds really good to me. Open source software that is governed by the community. Couldn't be any better. And the decentralized. CoinList has today announced the upcoming Vega token sale on the 2nd and 3rd of June 2021. This really is an exciting milestone in the development of Vega. The token is an integral part in operation of proof of stake network that the governance of the protocol and having a diverse group of community members holding its crucial to long-term access to the project, long-term success to the project. So having a diverse group of community members holding its crucial to the long-term success of the project. So we've spoken about Vega itself, their mission. But an interesting thing that I found out about Vega. But the thing is that when I went onto CoinMarketCap, I actually could not find Vega. I typed in Vega, could not find Vega. This is not Vega. Vega wallet token. This is not the same thing. It's not the same thing. This is a completely different cryptocurrency. So I actually tried Vega protocol. just to see if I was mistaken. I couldn't find anything. So unfortunately, Vega isn't available on CoinMarketCap, which is really unfortunate for me because I usually like to get some more information on the cryptocurrency, such as supply of the coins and stuff like that. The best thing that we can go on is probably the CoinList Vega blog post itself, which is huge and it's got a lot of information that could be really useful. So we'll get into that in a minute. So let's continue with our video on Vega. Why the world needs Vega. I found this part particularly interesting. Vega makes finance open. Vega lays the foundation for censorship resistance, completely open finance where everyone can trade and make markets. That sounds good to me. Vega makes DeFi useful. Now, speaking of DeFi, it says specifically here, Vega allows decentralized products that works for real-world use cases and enables mass adoption of DeFi. So just these 2 points so far, I'd say yes. Yes, indeed. Vega is indeed in demand. Vega makes trading fair. Now that's key as well, is a rule of fairness. Fairness in trading has always been a gray area. It's never really been completely fair, and it's almost impossible to make it completely fair. But how are they going to tackle this problem? So Vega's blockchain prevents from running and tackling MEV, allowing for truly DeFi markets. So next thing is Vega is just for trading. Vega is just for trading. Vega is optimized for finance and trading. It will always have the most products and features, best performance, and lowest costs. So those are some of the 4 reasons why they think the world needs Vega. And they're making a great impression on it as well. So this is a timetable for the ICO, the coin sales itself, and it'll be available on CoinList. So I'm not sure if you know about CoinList. I'm not sure if you're signed up to CoinList, but this is not financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment reasons. But this is the public timetable for when the token sales will be held. The purchase limits of the token. The largest purchase limit will be on the 3rd sale. That's between $100 and $10,000 US. So that's quite significant. The first 2 token sales will be slightly lower in terms of max amount of tokens you can purchase, max amount that you can invest as well. So number of tokens that are up for sale. These are the number of tokens that'll be up for sale. And price per token, $5 for the first token sale, $10 for the second token sales, and $15 for the third token sales. So if you believe in a cryptocurrency like this, you really have to consider that the coins won't be cheap. These coins are not cheap. $5, $10, and $15 per token sale. So obviously, if you're investing in this, you really have to believe in it for one, because what if it crashes when it launches, when it goes public? So let's talk a little bit about the token distribution, because as you can see, the tokens are not cheap for the sale. So I want to know, is there a large supply of token? There can't be. Surely not. Am I right? So prior to the Vega token sale, tokens have been allocated to early investors and team members. All of those allocations are subject to lockup. A small number of early investing tokens become vesting from months following the public sale. Vega has a fixed supply of 64.9 million tokens, of which 7.5 will be available in the token sale. So the chart below shows the projected distribution of the Vega token, both in terms of how much it's owned by each group, and as well as the period over which tokens become vested. Now, after the token sales, the remaining tokens will be used for community incentives to bootstrap the growth of the network, as well as future fundraising. So this is the distribution. Token sale is 7.5% of the tokens in existence. Team will get 29%, early investors 36%, and community obviously 26%. But it is confirmed 64.9 million tokens in existence, and that's a fixed supply. There'll never be any more, and it's only 7.5% of this token is available for sale. So considering that the token is actually, it's not a large supply. I wouldn't call it a large supply. A large supply of cryptocurrency token is like 500 million or a billion. This token is less than 70 million coins in existence. This is actually really good. So the Vega token is a standard ERC20 token, and it's used to secure and govern the network. Upon mainnet launch, Vega token will be will have the following utilities. Vega tokens will have the following utilities. It's interesting to note that this cryptocurrency is ERC20. So if you guys are worried that there's not a wallet you can save this cryptocurrency on, worry no more. You can put this cryptocurrency on any Ethereum supported wallet because it's an Ethereum token. So this is actually really, really good for the token sale. Actually, this invites a lot more people to buy a token like this because it's so easily stored. So the ability to approve new market. Active markets in Vega are determined by token holders through governance voting. Proposals to create, alter, or remove markets can be submitted to the network by anyone in the world. So the community of the token holder will collectively exercise control over whether the purpose are approved or not. So designing safe, secure market requires careful analysis as well as collaborations between our liquidity providers. So Vega gives you the power to gives the power to the network stakeholders to ensure that the market they need are prioritized and created. So let's have a look at governance over the network, right? It's very important because this tells us whether or not it's fully decentralized. So important network functionality is controlled by governance voting. For example, the number of blocks confirmations before deposits are credited, or participation threshold to vote for new markets. Token holders play a crucial role in ensuring that the Vega network operates a safe and secure environment for decentralized trading at all times. The Vega blockchain implements delegated proof of stake to achieve consensus. So the network is comprised of validators nodes, which collectively operate market by running Vega software. So the network is secured through staking, where token holders choose the validators they want to operate the network by delegating tokens to them. Fees are distributed to the validators and token holders, obviously, and liquidity providers a reward for securing and operating the network. So here's an interesting graph, actually. So this was the fundraising history. And back in August 2018, this is the days of the early backers. Prior to raising fund from VCs, a small round of fundraising from family, friends, and founders made the launch of Vega possible. That's interesting that it was funding from family, friends, and founders. Anyway, guys, it goes on to October 2019 when Vega coins, obviously this was a seed round, 0.36 cents per Vega coin, right? And 5.5 million was raised. Pantera Capital with additional backing from KR1, Ripple's Xpeng, Rockaway, Eden Block, and others. Now in 2020 November, which is actually last year November, it's interesting that this is just last year. It's not too long ago. This is the strategic round, and the coins, as you can see, was 77 cents per coin, and this was another fundraising. But interestingly, is how low the prices of the coins were compared to what we have now, compared to the current ICO that will be held. The coins will be starting at $5 per coin. So obviously this coin is in high demand, but that's not just it, because during the sale, it's going to be really hard to buy these coins simply because there's a high demand. There's going to be a long waiting list. So the earlier you register and the earlier you arrive in the token sale is the better it is for you. So good luck to everyone. Yeah, seriously, good luck to everyone, because I know these sales can be brutal. I know it's really hard to get your hands on these cryptocurrencies and how difficult it can be. So good luck to myself and good luck with everyone, obviously. So this is a full list of the team. As you can see, there's a lot of team members from founders, blockchain researchers, engineer, and strategic and market. Lots of people involved in this, and that's not the full team. And these people have crucial backgrounds in programming, marketing, researching, and the list goes on. So one word that I've got for this project and the team is ambitious, extremely ambitious. So let me just let you guys know that right now, this is the timeline we're in, 2021, right? So currently, we're going to go up to June, and that will be when we hold the first the proper ICO, right? So this is quite exciting because in July, there'll be a restricted mainnet, and in August, alpha mainnet. So it's an exciting time. So this year obviously is going to be really big for Vega and what they're trying to accomplish. And I hope to see more from Vega as well. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed it, let me know. Subscribe, leave a like. Always share these videos with a friend. If you know a friend who you think is interested in crypto, or you think they should learn about crypto, show them these videos. They need to learn about cryptocurrency. We all should learn about cryptocurrency. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Remember to leave a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.